In this video, we are going to see how we can unblock someone on Roblox, whether you want to do it on a browser or the application on your Windows PC. Here's how you can easily do it. So let's say that you have locked someone and you want to just unblock that person. So if you remember their username, all you have to do is just search for their username, and you can select the search in people. You select that and it will open up the result for those persons. So you must have remembered their profile icon. You click on that and you will see the direct option of unblock here, or you can click on this 3 dots otherwise, and you will get the unblock option here. But like I said, the unblock option appears right here. We click on unblock and they won't be notified that you unblock them. So that's best. You can click on that and then you can, let's say, add as a friend or something else like that. But otherwise, let's say that you don't remember their username, then how we can find and unblock them? So what you do is just click on the gear icon on the right hand corner. Let me just block this person again. So what we do is we head over to the gear icon, we head over to the settings on the right hand side, and we select privacy and restrictions here. And then we will select the block users here. And as you can see, the block user appear right here. So we want to unblock them. All we have to do is just simply hit unblock, click on unblock, and that is how it is done. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.